Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to install Cpanel in Ubuntu. Know this first, Cpanel does not officially support Ubuntu, only RHEL-based OSs. If you really need Cpanel, consider switching to Alma Linux, CentOS, or Cloud Linux. Install Alma Linux on your server if you want a supported OS for Cpanel. Connect to your server via SSH by using the code that you can see on your screen. Next, set the host name by following the code that you can see on your screen. Then download the Cpanel installer by using the code that you can see on your screen. Now, run the installer using shlatest or bash latest from the home directory. Wait 30 to 60 minutes as the panel installs necessary services and configures them. Then, access WHM at your-server.ip2087 and complete the initial setup with the license. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.